Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will tell you how to change your Instagram email address. So it's a little bit complicated, so please follow me step by step. To do this, first of all, we should go and open our Instagram account, and after that you have to go and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. And after that, go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen and go to Account Center. After that, choose the first option. And after that, go and click on Contact Info. After that, click on Add New Contact. Click on Add Email, and it will ask you here for the new email. And of course, you should check the Instagram account that you want to use this email for. And it will tell you that adding this new email will replace your actual email on your Instagram account. So like that, when you add the new email, the old one will automatically be deleted from your profile. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.